Subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get to know all the information on online trading. Hello to all the aspiring traders out there looking for advice on how to improve their trading skills. If you're searching for books that can help you become a more informed, confident, and successful trader, you've come to the right place. I have selected for you the top 5 trading books that you cannot afford to miss. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is considered a milestone in the field of investing. Graham was one of the first advocates of fundamental-based investing, and in this book, he provides readers with a comprehensive overview of value theory, low-risk investments, and how to build a balanced portfolio. The Alchemy of Finance by George Soros. Soros is a trading legend, and in this book, he shares his philosophy and experience behind his successes. The book also offers an interesting view on the theory of reflexivity and the connection between financial markets and the economic reality. 3. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. This book is a collection of interviews with the world's best traders, from whom Schwager tries to extract the secrets of their success. The book is a must-read for those who want to learn from others' experiences and gain a broader perspective on the financial market. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefèvre. This book, published in 1923, is still considered one of the best trading books of all time. Based on the life of Jesse Livermore, one of the most famous traders of his time, the book provides a guide on how to read markets, take advantage of opportunities, and manage risk. 5. Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives by John C. Hull. This book is the ultimate guide on options and futures trading. Hull offers a clear and detailed explanation of these financial instruments, along with practical examples and market analysis. The book is a must-read for those who want to expand their knowledge of trading. The book is a must-read for those who want to expand their knowledge of trading. I hope that these 5 books will be helpful in your quest to become a better trader. Each of them offers a unique opportunity to learn from the experiences of the best investors and gain a broader perspective on the financial market. Read them and put the lessons learned into practice, and you will see the results coming. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get to know all the information on online trading.